So he drills the hole in the end of this piece. This plate here is the plate that the chrome moly tube gets welded to, so that hole is hidden. But the purpose for welding that hole, or for drilling that hole, is to release the pressure that's being built up on this piece as it's being welded. The internal gases are expanding, and if you didn't have a relief hole there, as you finish welding that top weld, before you got to the end, the pressure would be so high inside this piece, it would start blowing the weld out at you. It would almost start cratering the weld, almost like a little volcano.